How to private chat on Character AI. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To private chat on Character AI, you can head over and launch a Character AI application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your Character AI and have an account of Character AI. So over here, to start a private chat, make sure you have created a character or a group chat. Then tap on the character or the group chat. From here, tap on the group chat icon or the character name that is located at the top. From here, you can click on Edit Character. So at the bottom, you will see the option of visibility. If it is set on public, this means that this is a public chat and everyone can find and chat with the character and get involved with the conversation. If so, and if you want a private chat, just click on the private option. This will allow only you to see and chat with the character. So this is how you have a private chat on Character AI. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.